Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So I've been managing 3 online businesses for a while now. One is mine and the 2 others are collaborations. Through my experiences of trying things out, making mistakes, and learning, I've seen how powerful email marketing can be. It's a really effective tool that many people don't use to its full potential, but it can really boost sales for any type of business, whether it's online or not. And after trying different email marketing platforms, I found Constant Contact about a year ago and it just clicked for me. So I wanted to share a detailed review with you. I'll talk about how it works, what features it has, how easy it is to use, whether it works with other tools, how much it costs, and what makes it different from other options. I'll also be honest about the areas where I think it could do better. By the end of the video, I hope you'll have enough info to decide if Constant Contact could work for your business. And if you decide to give it a try, remember to use the discount in the link in the description. It's a little thank you from me, and it also helps me out too. Okay, so for those of you who are unfamiliar, Constant Contact is a service that helps businesses and organizations easily reach out to their customers and potential customers through email. It's not like the old-fashioned way of reaching out. It's all about making communication simpler and more effective. While it's mainly focused on email, Constant Contact also offers tools for building websites, selling things online, and managing social media. The idea behind this platform is to be a one-stop solution for all of your digital marketing needs. With Constant Contact, you can handle everything from creating engaging emails to running an online store or improving your social media presence all in one place. It's designed to help businesses succeed in the online world. Constant Contact makes it really easy for businesses to create and send professional-looking emails, keeping in touch with their audience effortlessly. It's great for showing off products, reminding customers that you're there, or giving them special deals. These tactics are really important for boosting sales. They offer lots of email templates and a really easy drag-and-drop interface, so what used to take a whole day now only takes a couple minutes. This means you can quickly send out professional emails or even set up automated email campaigns. If you're new to this, automated campaigns are a series of emails sent based on certain triggers or actions, like when someone signs up for your newsletter. Constant Contact handles all this really well. Automating also includes sending welcome emails to new subscribers, which can make your brand seem more trustworthy. Plus, you can set up workflows to react to things like when someone leaves items in their online shopping cart or confirms a purchase. A big part of email marketing success is making sure your emails actually get to people's inboxes. Constant Contact does a great job with this. 97% of their emails are delivered successfully. But besides just sending emails, Constant Contact lets you do A/B split testing. This means you can try out different things like subject lines or images to see what works best with your audience. It's really helpful for figuring out what grabs people's attention, especially if you have a big email list. For managing social media, Constant Contact lets you create and schedule posts on platforms like Facebook and Instagram, all from one place. It's handy for keeping your digital marketing organized. While it works well with e-commerce and customer management platforms, it's mainly focused on the bigger social networks. So if you rely on smaller niche platforms, it might not be as useful. Overall, Constant Contact is a great option for businesses that want to combine email marketing with social media management, offering tools that makes it easier and more effective to engage with customers. Moreover, when deciding on the right Constant Contact plan, you've got 3 main choices, each tailored to different business sizes and needs. The Lite plan is the cheapest at $12 a month and is great for individuals. It gives you 1 GB of storage and basic features like easy-to-use email templates and basic reporting to get your email marketing going. If you're ready to grow, the standard plan at around $35 a month might be better. It offers 10 GB of storage and more advanced features like scheduling emails and managing social media ads, which are helpful for expanding your digital marketing. Then there's the premium plan, which costs $80 per month and is for bigger businesses or those with larger teams. With this plan, you get 25 GB of storage and unlimited user access, perfect for big teams or sharing with your partners. It also comes with fancy tools like Google Ads Manager to boost your marketing efforts. I personally went with the premium plan because it's flexible and suits my team's needs, but the standard plan is a good middle ground. It has a mix of features and is affordable for smaller or medium-sized businesses. And if you want to save some money, I've included a special discount link in the description below. It gives you a deal you won't find on Constant Contact's website, making it a great way to try out Constant Contact at a lower price. When it comes to being effective, Constant Contact stands out by making it really easy to create attractive and responsive emails. Their drag and drop editor is super simple to use, and they have lots of templates you can customize. Even if you're not a design expert, you can still make great looking emails. Trust me, I know, I'm no Picasso. And as mentioned earlier, Constant Contact is really good at making sure your emails actually get to people's inboxes, which is naturally the most important part. So the fact that it's easy to use, lets you design your emails how you want, and ensures they get delivered makes Constant Contact a really strong choice for managing and running your email marketing campaigns. Now, to sum it all up, Constant Contact is a valuable tool for businesses looking to expand their customer reach. While there are a few areas that could be improved, its wide range of features and its ability to ensure emails actually get to where you want them to be makes it stand out. Based on my own experience, I highly recommend Constant Contact to anyone wanting to grow their business and increase sales. And that wraps up our discussion on email marketing and Constant Contact. I hope you guys found this video helpful in deciding if Constant Contact is right for you. And that's pretty much it for today. If you found it helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more content like this. And again, if you're thinking about trying Constant Contact, don't forget to use the discount link in the description for an exclusive offer. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments and I'll get back to you soon. Thanks for watching as always, and until next time, take care.